Quinoa is a well-known staple grain that is consumed for its rewarding health benefits. Let's prepare this high-protein vegetable quinoa, and all of my ingredients are already prepared. Let's begin. Turn on your stove, add in 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, spread it evenly, add in 2 ounce squash, 2 40 ounce zucchini, 3 ounce king oyster mushrooms, 1 ounce bell pepper and onion, 4 ounce chickpeas. All we are doing here is mixing the vegetables to ensure they are evenly spread. Instead of adding oil when the veggies dry up, we will add in 4 teaspoons of water, and this will continue cooking the veggies when we add the lid for a few seconds. After 30 seconds on medium heat, remove lid and stir again. Then we will add in 8 ounces of prep quinoa. Ensure to rake out remainders in bowls as this contributes to the recipe. Going in with 2 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. And we want to spread these seasonings evenly, so mixing plays an important role. So we want to mix from the outer corners to the center. This will ensure all seasonings are evenly distributed to every grain. And if you see your pot sticking, kindly add water by the teaspoons. And then you want to mix again for a few seconds. And this is the final results. Here is a close-up look. We are now plating. This recipe is good for 2 servings, all depends on your level of eating and what you pair this quinoa with. If you found this video helpful, consider to like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to check out my other plant-based recipes. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.